So over here you can see that I got a bunch of medias right here, and they are in different layers, as you can see, just like this. So this is one video layer, this is another one, and this is another one, as you can see right here, and all of them are shown over here. But if I want to go around and hide this particular media right here, but I don't want to delete it, then over here on the side of this particular track, you can see that show is an option over here. There's this eye icon over here. If you were to go around and click, then you can see that the track gets hidden over here. That means what happens is that it is hidden for that particular moment. You can still select and access the tracks right here and move them around right here, but you won't see it over here. Similarly, you can go around and hide out different tracks as you like right here and click on it again to show it back right here one by one. So by using this option, what you can do is you can show and hide out the tracks as you like inside of the project right here without having to delete it. Similarly, what you can also do is you can lock out the tracks. So if I were to click and drag, you can see that I can move out the tracks right here. But if you want to prevent accidentally moving out those tracks right here, then you can go around and hit the lock button right here, which locks out the track, as you can see. The content is still shown right here, but the track is locked out. You can hide it out at the same time as well. So you can move around the other tracks, as you can see right here. That is the contents of the other track. But if you were to lock it, then you cannot move it accidentally for the locked tracks. You can go around and click on unlock tracks again to unlock it out right here, just like this, so that you can move up the tracks again. And that is how you can lock, unlock, show, and hide tracks inside of CapCut desktop editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.